The ability to investigate and analyze event matching is among the strongest concepts that Otello offers. Every single event and instrument in the field records individual data. So, if you have a fleet of 300 to 400 devices in operation, you face the challenge of needing to analyze the tremendous pools of data that they produce. Otello helps solve this problem by combining the events that occur within a certain time frame into a single incident. We can view and manage these events by navigating to the Power Quality page and selecting the Issues list. This will show us the issues that are currently present on the system, along with any relevant information. Once the issue has been resolved, it can be closed, where it will then be moved to the Issue History tab. This page allows you to view any and all incidents that have occurred in the past, so that any prior information is ready available at the click of a button. Let's take a closer look at what these events look like. We click on an event to view its payload. On the left-hand side, we have the scatter plot that shows the depth and duration. Otello gives you the ability to choose your standard of reporting, so that the required protocols are followed. In this case, the data has been classified according to the NRS 048 and EN 5160 standard. Next to our scatter plot, we have our geomapping information so that we can see the exact location that the event occurred on the geospace. Additionally, we can see where in the single line diagram events have taken place on the network. Below, we are given information on our measurement point in the form of spark lines. Here we can see the voltage, current, power, and reactive power. On the right-hand side, we have our spark lines represented as detailed waveform data. These waveform graphs make the use of half-cycle resolutions. Within 3 phases, there are 6 zero crosses, with each zero cross recording a complete 3 set, 3-phase phaser, as well as an RMS set. Each cycle has 6 readings being produced, resulting in the most accurate graphical data possible. The defining feature of the event matching page is the Fetch Waveforms button. This displays our 3 channels of voltage, current, and power in waveform representation. Every event that has occurred in Otello contains the complete information, ready for us to access at any time. Additionally, Otello provides the service of notifying you of an event that has occurred via your mobile phone. The notification will include a link that allows you to view the event with the same detail that we have seen here. This means that you can access all the necessary information of an event within seconds of it taking place. Let's take a look at an event that has multiple measurement points associated with it. At the top, we can see the event timeline to get a more informed understanding of what has happened. Similar to before, we have our scatter plot, our geo information, and our spark lines diagram. However, in this case, our multiple measurement points are displayed throughout each of them at different positions. We can also see our measurement points listed below, with the relevant data and spark line diagrams shown for each. Another key feature that Otello has included is the ability to predict the source direction. Otello uses machine learning along with 3 independent algorithms to predict whether something was upstream or downstream. As we can see from our measurement points displayed, 2 of the 3 algorithms predict that the source direction was upstream. We can still get a detailed view of the spark lines by simply selecting the measurement point we want to work with. The Fetch Waveform button will work specifically for the point we have selected, without interfering with any of the others we have available. Another important part of the network's incidents is the ability to annotate the incident. Once we know everything we need to about the event, we can proceed to define it accordingly. Here, we can write a description of what has occurred. Next, we can specify the origin of the incident by clicking the Edit Selected Issue Cause button. This will give us the option to list the party responsible, the circuit and asset that the fault originated from, and the voltage levels at the time of the event. The assets that appear on the list can be pre-configured on the admin end to include any instrument that you may need. Otello also manages events through a ticketing system. This mechanism allows us to keep track of our workflow and to ensure that everything is going smoothly. Through the ticketing system, we can change the operator assigned to the event, as well as the priority level attributed. We can also add the external reference, as well as any instruction you may want to give to an operator. Otello's ticketing system is key in organizing and simplifying the service request system.